Alright, hello everyone, and welcome back to the daily update of my 1000 days challenge. This is day 127. So let's get things started. Alright, so first and foremost, the balance, as you noticed, I mentioned yesterday, was a drop, and that's due to actually both the experimental trade setup and also the main trading setup. But after that, I actually also closed another main trading setup. So it went into a profit for in terms of Ethereum wise. That was hit in terms of the trading stop loss. So that explained that it still rises like a little bit in terms of that. But otherwise, overall, I'm still a little bit down from yesterday in that sense. So the experimental trade setup is now going down again. So I'm still in terms of tweaking things, and especially right now it's in a range bound kind of situation. So things are not looking that bullish in that sense. So that's something I'm trying to see if there's any way to filter it on a more clear basis, objective basis per se. All right, and as you know, today is Saturday, so running through a quick run in terms of the weekly update itself, you'll notice the key change is actually only on KWeb. The rest of it remain extremely bullish. You can see this parabolic kind of run and spike. So definitely, if you're looking in terms of weekly chart, it's definitely not so much of a good time to enter per se. You'd like to enter, say, near the 20 exponential average, moving average at least. All right, and similarly the case for Nasdaq is breaking to new all-time high, both Nasdaq and S&P 500. Things are looking extremely bullish, and even for ASHR, it's looking exactly the same thing ever since it came from the March region all the way up to here. And on the other hand, KWeb is the only one that actually transited to some sort of like a bearish market structure with a lower high and a lower low. So there's something to bear in mind. But short-term wise, if it does come near towards this key horizontal resistance, that'll be great. If it doesn't, or if it's near towards a 20 exponential moving average, similarly, there'll be a good place for me to add as well. Otherwise, going through a quick run on Bitcoin itself, overall, even though the weekly looks to be bullish, I didn't update it as we mentioned, as I understand it, because there's still 2 more trading days in that sense. But more importantly, on the daily chart, there's a bearish kind of engulfing candlestick. So tentatively, we could see some further downside potential. And if you look closer, say on the 4-hourly chart, I've also removed away the potential setup. If you notice the key difference, instead of waiting for this break, I'm no longer waiting for this break. Instead, I'm waiting for a clearer consolidation pattern, especially on the 4-hour chart. Overall, this 4-hour chart looks to be forming somewhat like a descending triangle with a high, a lower high, a low, and similarly low in kind of sense. So you could potentially have one small little up wave and it doesn't break up above this high. They could potentially form a very nice descending triangle, in which case if it does break down, potentially we could retest this 17.8k region or even potentially this 17k region. So in both cases, it will be a good place for me to add even a longer position as well. So otherwise, that's basically about it. I'm not looking to enter long. My only condition to enter long, even though I'm biased, is that if it does come close towards this horizontal resistance, which means near the 19.75 19.7k region and spend 19.7k to 19.9k region and spend a little bit more time there, then yes, potentially I could enter along. Alright, so that's probably the main update I have for you guys today. Now see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.